While we do acknowledge Pakistan is not completely out of the woods yet, but is 14th August को let's revive the national spirit and discuss at least 14 ऐसी developments जो हमने recent past में देखी हैं। Year 2024 start हुआ general election से laying foundation for economic progress और ये progress reflect हुई GDP के numbers में जो कि for fiscal year 24 was around 2.4% and is expected to improve further to around 3.2% in fiscal year 25. Fiscal front पे although अभी भी concerns हैं, but अगर हम बात करें primary surplus की, तो primary surplus was around 950 billion in fiscal year 24, which is the first primary surplus in almost 20 years. यही surplus हम आगे मज़ीद improve होता हुआ देख रहे हैं in fiscal year 25, and we are expecting it to be around 2.3 trillion rupees. बात हो रही थी fiscal concerns की, so circular debt still is a hurdle. But हमने recent actions देखे by the caretaker government and also by current authorities such as timely tariff adjustments and reduction in subsidies. So ये सारे measures show करते हैं commitment of the authorities to resolve circular debt. इसके अलावा the recent developments on the privatization front gives us hope कि Pakistan is seriously considering to privatize the loss-making state-owned entity. अब बात करें कुछ key economic indicators की, so inflation has significantly come down. Fiscal year 24 में inflation average around 23.8% और यही एक साल पहले 29% का average था. Going forward, fiscal year 25 में inflation is expected to come down further to around 10.7%. और इसी के साथ monetary easing जिसका start होता हुआ हमने देखा June 24 में is expected to continue. And policy rate is expected to come down to around 14 से 14.5% by the end of fiscal year 25. External front पे current account deficit declined around 79% year on year in fiscal year 24, mainly on the back of improved trade position and higher remittances. Fiscal year 25 में भी हम expect कर रहे हैं current account जो है manageable range में रहेगा somewhere around $2.6 billion. In the glimmer of optimism, Net FDI too has shown improvement, जो कि fiscal year 24 में तकरीबन 17% up थी year on year. यहाँ पे sustained foreign investment growth के लिए SIFC का role important है, and we are expecting कि SIFC will be able to attract investments in key areas such as mining, agriculture, and technology. Another key development was recent signing of SLA with the IMF, जो कि एक EFF फैसिलिटी के लिए है 7 बिलियन का टोटल प्रोग्राम है ऑफ 37 मंथ्स. एज अ रिजल्ट हमने देखा स्टेट बैंक के रिजर्व जो कि जून 23 में वर अराउंड $4 billion हैव नाउ इंक्रीज्ड टू $9.2 billion. इसी बेटर रिजर्व पोजीशन, इम्प्रूव्ड करंट अकाउंट एंड अदर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मेजर्स टेकन बाय द अथॉरिटीज. एज अ रिजल्ट हमने देखा है कि PKR जो है फिस्कल ईयर 24 में तकरीबन 4% एप्रिशिएट किया है. Going forward, fiscal year 25 में भी हम कोई significant depreciation नहीं expect कर रहे, and we expect PKR to close fiscal year 25 at 300 level. इसी के साथ अगर overall debt position की बात करें पाकिस्तान की, अब जो है पाकिस्तानी authorities are seriously working on potential solutions such as a reprofiling of debt. And lastly, credit rating agencies are taking a note of all the developments that have recently taken place, and we expect कि क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज जो हैं अपने रेटिंग एज वेल एज आउटलुक को रिवाइज अप करेंगी. हाल ही में हमने देखा है फिच ने अपनी रेटिंग फॉर पाकिस्तान अपग्रेड की थी टू CCC+. With this, we believe these developments are just the start with even greater hopes on the horizon. Pakistan Zindabad.